Let us start with the last question. That is question number 7. Prove that the sum of the square of the sides of a rhombus equal to the sum of the square of the diagonals. Sum of the square of the sides. Which are the sides of the rhombus here? AB, BC, CD, AD. So square of the sides means what we should get a AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square, which is equal to square of its diagonals. What are the diagonals? The diagonals means AC and BD. So AC square plus BD square we should get. Now we know that diagonals of a um, rhombus bisect each other perpendicularly. What is the meaning of this one? Angle O equal to 90 degree. So we are getting each right triangle there. So namely triangle AOB, triangle BOC, triangle COD and the triangle AOD. All the four are right angle triangle only because angle O equal to 90 degree, the property of the diagonal. Now we are writing what is AB square in triangle AOB, BC square in triangle BOC, then CD square is in triangle COD, AD square is in triangle AOD. So if you check this one, we know that by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square equal to AO square plus OB square. Similarly, BC square equal to BO square plus OC square. Similarly, you can complete for CD square and AD square also. So all the four equations we got. Now we are adding all the four equations. If you check these four equations, we can see that AO square is repeating two times. Similarly, OB square is repeating two times. OC square also you can see two times. OD square is also equal to two times only. So by this, what we can write 2 into AO square plus OB square plus OC square plus OD square only. Now what is the next change means we cannot apply we are not applying another Pythagoras theorem. Diagonal bisect each other property we are writing. If you check the diagram, OA equal to AC by 2, right? So we are writing here AC by 2 whole square. Similarly, OB means BD by 2 whole square, OC means AC by 2 whole square, OD means once again BD by 2 whole square. So squaring, we know that AC square by 4, BD square by 4, AC square by 4 and BD square by 4. So we know that it is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 only, right? So here we are getting AC square by 4 plus 1 more AC square by 4 here. If you add this one, we'll get AC square by 2. Similarly, BD square by 2. So the 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining there? AC square plus BD square. So sum of all the four sides square are equal to square of their diagonals in the case of a rhombus. Next question. O is a point on the interior of the triangle ABC, OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, OF perpendicular to AB. Show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus C square. Similarly, one more criteria we have to prove here, that is AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. It is seeing this, which is a you will feel that it is a difficult one. It is not a difficult question. So what is the construction here we have to do means join OA, OB and OC. So we are getting six triangles in the diagrams. After joining OA, if you see, because already when you take this one, see OF is there, OE is there, OD is there. So you will get a quadrilateral there in each side. Now we are dividing by joining it by OA, OB, OC. So you can see six triangles are there. Now the first question you can see that AF square plus BD square plus CE square we have to take. So for that we are taking respective and triangles. AF means AOF, right? BD square means BOD. CE square means COE. So the respective triangle we are getting. Now we want AF square only, right? Similarly, BD square. What is C square? So according to the question, we are writing AF square, BD square, C square, respective triangles. In between one letter we added, that is the O, center only. Now if you consider AOF angle is 90 degree. So naturally, which is the hypotenuse for us? The opposite side only the hypotenuse. So what we can write here, AF square equal to OA square minus OF square only. AF square equal to AF square equal to OA square minus OF square. So you can easily understand the shaded triangle AOF you have taken, right, which is the angle 90 degree, there angle f 90 degree. So which is the opposite side? OA. So OA is the hypotenuse, so OA square minus OF square we got as AF square. Similarly, which is the next triangle? BOD, the another shaded one, it is there. So angle D is the 90 degree, naturally OB is the hypotenuse, so OB square minus OD square. Similarly, we can go for CE square. Now we got OC square minus OE square only. Now adding 1, 2, 3, what is the result here? AF square plus BD square plus C square equal to OA square minus OF square, OB square minus D square, plus OC square minus OE square. So we are arranging the plus terms first, that is OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. So we got the first result. So just taking the applying the Pythagoras theorem only, nothing else. We need AF square plus BD square plus C square. For this criteria, we have to consider the shaded triangles only. From there, we have applied a Pythagoras theorem, and directly we have written what is AF square, what is BD square, what is C square. Similarly, the second part, what we have to prove, this it is already written here. The first part right side, that must be equal to AE square and plus CD square plus BF square. So similar rule, the same rule we are applying here, but here AOE is there. So last time it is AOF we have taken. So AOE is the triangle we have to take. COD is the second case triangle. Then BOF is the third triangle. We have to take like this, and we are applying the Pythagoras theorem once again, that is AE square. Similarly, I have written here triangle AOE, triangle COD, triangle BOF we have to take, and from there AE square, BF square, CD square, directly we are writing. This time it is OA square minus OE square. If you check the diagram, you can understand. Arrange them and you will get a OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. So the proved 1 and proved 2, we can see this one. By this what we can write, because it is equal to, both are equal. What is equal there? AE square plus BF square. I think I noted. AE square plus BF square plus CD square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square, right? So all these are equal by this, because both the values are same only. So by this we can make the conclusion that these also equal. Okay. The next question. A ladder 10-meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So AB be the ladder we are taken. So this is ladder for us, and this is wall. So OA be the wall, and AB be the ladder. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, because angle O equal to 90 degree only. Now, what is the distance OB that we have to calculate here? So, just apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is the length of the ladder? Length of the ladder is 10. So, here 10 meter, and the wall reaches a window 8 meter from the ground only. So, what is we have to get a OA equal to 8. Okay, so it's a triplet only, 10, 8, 6 only the answer, because it's a Pythagorean triplet. Just we are applying that one, therefore the answer is 6 meter for the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Next question. A guy wire is attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter and 24 meter long. So has a stake attached to the other end. How far the base of the pole should take stake be driven so that the wire will be taut. So stake it is means here it is there. There is no bend or this line AB there. That is OB be the pole we are taken, AB be the wire only. So while doing the tie to the means stake attached to the other end, how far from the base of the pole should be the stake be drawn so that the wire will not be taut. So AB is the wire that will not have any bend, isn't it? So OB be the pole there, AB be the wire there. So AB will be straight there. So what is the nature of the O there? Angle O is 90 degrees. So just apply the values. AB square equal to OB square plus OA square. So AB is given in the question 24 and OB is 18. Just substitute the value and solve for OA, that is equal to 6 root 7 meter only. So the distance from the base, it is equal to 6 root 7 meter. So that only the wire will be straight. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due to the north at the speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of to 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? So diagram is given and what is the this one north at the speed of 1000 km. So 1000 km per hour, and at the same time the leaves the airport and flies due to west 1200 km per hour only. So the speed is given and what is the distance between A and B is given. So distance traveled by the plane flying towards north in 1.5 hours. The time is already given. So 1000 km is the north direction. So 1000 into 1 integer 1 by 2, that is 1500 km. North always shows up the upward direction. So 1500 km is the distance. Similarly, the distance traveled towards the west, that is equal to 1200 into 1 by 1 integer 1 by 2. So you got here 1800 km. Now OA and OB, based on the diagram we got. Now as we know that angle O is 90 degrees, so we can calculate the distance between A and B. So it is we know that it is equal to root of OA square plus OB square only. So that means 1500 square plus 1800 square. Substitute, you will get the value 300 root 61 only. So this is again application of the Pythagoras theorem only. One is north direction and the one is the west direction is given, but it is speed is given and the time is given. So respectively we have calculated the distance. After that, the distance between the 2 points it is taken, that is the distance formula also we can apply. So here it is one coordinate is origin, another one is 1500 comma 0, another one is 1800 comma 0. So directly we can go for x square plus y square only. So we have substituted 1500 square plus 1800 square under the root. So after simplifying, what is the answer? We will get 300 root 61 kilometer. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meters stand on the plain ground. Then the distance between the feet of their pole equal to 12 meter. Find the distance between the tops. So CD and AB are the two poles. So the tops will be respectively A and C only. So what is the distance between AC? We have to calculate, right? So AB and CD are the poles. So poles top will be A and C. So the distance AC we have to calculate. What is the pulse height is given? One is 6 meter and another one is 11 meter. Now what is the, if we are joined or draw the perpendicular AP to CD, so this 11 can be divided into 2. So here also 6, the remaining equal to 5. Now this is 12 means that is a dB equal to 12. So what is AP? AP is also equal to 12. Again we know that 12 and 5 triplet only is coming naturally, AC equal to 13 only. So the distance between the two tops means we should calculate AC. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem we can calculate and its value equal to 13. This is one of the important questions. D and E are the points on the sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC. Right angle at C prove that AE square plus BD square equal to AB square plus DE square only. So what we are doing first means we are calculating the Pythagoras theorem only. AE square plus BD square. Let us check. So now for that what we have to do here, already the diagram is given. D and E are the points on CA and CB is there. Just join that one. We are getting triangle ACE. From that AE square is we are calculating. Triangle ACE, AE is the hypotenuse. So the other two sides square of the sum we have to take. So AC square plus CE square. Similarly, triangle BCD, which is the hypotenuse BD square. So BD square equal to BC square plus CD square. Now adding 1 and 2 we got, because we required this result AE square plus BD square. So adding this left hand side we will get AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. No order is changed. Now we rearranging the order. We are making that CD square plus CE square together, AC square plus BC square together. So AC square plus BC square if you consider, then AB is the AC square plus BC square if we consider. See, AC then BC, that is AB is the hypotenuse there. So we have applied a Pythagoras theorem there. Now what happened to CD square and CD square? CE square. CD square is here and CE square is here. So angle C is 90 degree only. So if you join CE, see that one, if we join CE, that will be the hypotenuse for us, right? So instead of CD square plus C square, again one more Pythagoras theorem we can apply, that is DE square. For writing this one, we must join DE only. So the diagram it is not joined, still we can understand that it is a hypotenuse there. So we will get the DE square plus AB square. Clearly we have mentioned here also, in triangle CDE, DE square means CD square plus CE square. In triangle ABC, AB square means AC square plus CB square, right? So we replaced that one, which is our required result. Just check that one. AE square plus BD square equal to AB square plus DE square, that we got here. The perpendicular from A on the side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at a D such that DB equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square only. So here it is given that BD equal to 3CD. So what is the given in the question? BD equal to 3CD. Now if you check the diagram BC, the length BC can be divided into two parts. One is CD, another one is BD only. But we can replace BD as 3CD because it is given in the question. So naturally, what is BC? The 4CD. So in terms of CD, BC can be written as 1/4 of BC only. CD means 1/4 of BC. Now what we should prove? 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So the right side, what are there? AC square is there and AB square is there. Let's just check that one. What is we can write there? In triangle ACD, AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. Which triangle we have taken? The smaller triangle left side ACD. AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. In triangle ABD, the other side of the triangle, then AB square equal to AD square plus BD square only. Now we are replacing what is AD square from the equation 1. This I'll put 1 only and here 2, right? So this using 1 into using 1. I'll write here using 1. Okay, so what I changed AD square. AD square is AC square minus CD square. Now BD we have used from here, right? BD we have used from here, that is 3CD. So BD square means 3CD whole square. Now 1 CD square is there. Here 3 CD square means it is 9. 9 minus 1, that is 8. So that is why here we got 8 CD square only. Again CD we should change to BC only, because here we want BC only. There is no CD in the question. So it will be equal to 8 into BC by 4 whole square. Here we have written what is the BC and all. Just to substitute the values after the simplification, it is equal to half BC only, because 8 by 16 is 1 by 2, half BC square it is. Now take the LCM, what will get? 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square only. So like this we can prove this question. So this base, that is BC, we should consider and form the equation like this. First equation, and the second is given part. Here it is. So by using this AB square equation we have to form and substitute. After that simplify. Then take the LCM. You'll get the result 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Okay. Okay, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD equal to 1/3 of BC. This question it is, here it is not there, 9AD square equal to 7AB square, right? It is 9AD square equal to 7AB square. So already equilateral triangle, we know the concept that perpendicular, median all are the same only. So here what we are using, side equilateral triangle is A. So AE is the altitude. So AE is altitude means we already know that the formula root 3A by 2. Now B and C is half of the side, that means A by 2. This much knowledge we should have. And what is one more criteria it is given in the question, BD equal to 1/3 of BC. So any triangle, equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So it will be equal to A by 3 only. So this, if you know these 3 points, then it will be easy to prove. What is the first one? The side we are taking as A. Then altitude we have taken as a root 3 by 2A. Then median property. So BE and EC we are taking as A by 2. One more that is given in the question, that is BD. 1/3 of BC, that means it is equal to A by 3 only. Now one more step, that is DE only. See the diagram, what we can write as a DE, B minus BD. BE we have already calculated as a by 2, BD is A by 3, here it is. Okay, so just to take the difference, it will be A by 6 only. Now what we are going to calculate means, it is AD square. In triangle AD, the smaller triangle, what is AD square? Because E is 90 degree, so AD is the hypotenuse, so AD square equal to AE square plus DE square. So just to substitute the values, what is the answer we are getting? 28A square by 36. After the simplification, it is equal to 9AD square equal to 7AB square only. So it is lengthy question only, but we are using the many knowledge things, whatever knowledge we are having, that all we are using. That is why this question is reduced to this way. So 9AD square equal to 7AB square. So perpendicular is drawn, perpendicular formula, median property, then given case, that is a BD equal to 1/3 of BC. Finally DE we have calculated. After that Pythagoras theorem we have applied. Simplification, what we are getting, 9AD square equal to 7AB square. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times of square of one side equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude only. Here, what we should prove, 3 times of square of one side. So, 3 into AB square equal to 4 times of AD square. Here, we have used AE only. So, here I can write 4AE square is the altitude. Instead of B, it can be BC, it can be AC also, right? So that is the case, nothing else. So here also what we should use the ideas that all the three sides are A only. Now the median property BE and EC we are using A by 2. Altitude we are using root 3 by 2A. Now triangle ABE, what is the Pythagoras theorem? ABE. AB is the hypotenuse. So we are substituting the values, and AE we are calculating. AE equal to 3A square by 4. So cross multiplying, what we'll get, 4A square equal to 3A square. A square means any side. You can go for AB, you can go for BC, you can go for AC only. Right? So we got it. So this idea is the main basic thing here you must know. One is a median property, one is the altitude value. Then we can do this type of the question, the last one and this also. Okay, pick the correct answer. Justify. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC equal to 12 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter. Find the angle. So AB, AC and BC. So just applying the values, that AB square plus BC square we are applying. AB is the 6 root 3 whole square and BC is the 6 square. So lowest two values we have taken and square, and see that we are getting 120, 144, which is equal to AC square. That means Pythagoras theorem, converse theorem, it is proved. Now what is the answer? Means the angle opposite to AC, it is equal to 90. That means angle B equal to 90 degree only. So with this, all the questions related to triangle from the exercise part we have completed. Once you go get the idea of this one, we can go for the extra questions. So with this, today's class I am winding up. Thank you.